Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hi you all, it's me Maya March and I'm back with another video. We're gonna get straight into it, but I just wanted you all to get into this blend and look at how natural, how fire this hair is. And it didn't take long at all to install and it's super inexpensive. Today we are using Sunber hair. It's a new V-part Jerry curl wig in 20 inches. So right now I'm just showing you the structure of the wig. It comes with a strap and it comes with actual clip-ins inside the wig. I just thought this was so cute. They gave me a wig cap, a headband to lay my edges down, and do you all see the cute nails? So right now I'm just showing you that I'm laying my foundation down. I will have like a total of 6 braids. You can make yours smaller, but I mean it's fluffy hair, so they don't have to be extremely small. Don't forget, because this is kind of like I would consider somewhat of a protective hairstyle, the way that we're styling it is to please moisturize your hair prior to braiding your hair. So whatever that looks like for you, please just moisturize it so when you take these braids down, your hair is not crunchy, stale, and extremely dry. As you can see right now, I'm using a little edge control. I do like the curly curl cream, or you could use something else that kind of just give you that slick base that we're looking for. And in particular, you definitely want to lay that base right between that part, because the way we're going to put the V, you want that part to look really sleek and not like extra frizzy. As you can see, it's going to have a little shine, and that's what you're kind of looking for. Obviously, you're not going to always see it, but it's going to add to the overall completed look. And so from there, we're just braiding it down. I don't like to have my braid like too close to the part, because then it's going to leave a lump. We want to make sure we have it still smooth for when we place those clips on. You want it to still look natural, and you don't want it to look too bulky at the top. Okay, so now that we are wrapping up with our braids, you can use a bobby pin, you can sew it down, whichever you prefer. And we're just gonna put that up. Make sure we keep the bulk of the hair to the back, because we want to make sure we continue to keep that flat base around the edges and in the front. Before you place that wig on, make sure you have all your clips unclipped, and then we're going to go ahead and utilize that band to get the back, and then we're going to start getting those clips very close to the part. Be sure to not be extremely ready to just clip. Make sure you get it super close to the part and make sure it looks good even in that middle. If you notice, they did flip the V part over, so technically you do not need any crochet. You can just do direct wear, or you can just leave out the least amount of hair, which I will be showing you. So if you could see, like right now, without even doing anything, it kind of already looked pretty natural. Okay, so this is what you want it to be given without us even doing an additional step. Also, it is very optional to where you can just have your hair as a leave out instead of doing this step. The key point is you'll place that crochet needle in, you'll find some pieces of hair of where you actually crocheted in. It does not have to be thick. Please do not make it extra thick, but don't make it extra thin. Just a nice little piece of hair, and you will pull it straight through and you'll lay it down flat. Because you want this to look extra natural, please take your time, and you don't have to do a lot of pieces. As long as we're covering that part, you are good to go, because that's why we got the V part to be so close to the actual part, because we don't want to overly place too much hair in the hairline. So this time I didn't do it, but you can also crochet around your actual edges. So say if you pull the wig back to where people can see it, you can actually crochet your edges. You'll do the same method as what we're doing now, and it'll look completely natural. Because I was in the rush, because we are heading to BeautyCon, you all, I decided to not lay my edges because I didn't think it was that important. So yes, this is the hairstyle that I chose to wear to BeautyCon this year. Towards the end, I'll definitely show you all some of the pictures of like the final look. BeautyCon was amazing if you ever heard about it. I was so excited I wore this look. A lot of people really loved my hair. I got a lot of compliments. And I just love that it's so natural, you all. Like, we are getting into a day and age where these wigs are just getting too close to our actual real hair texture. I do want to note that this wig is actually 100% human hair, so that's a great thing. You can always wash it, you can condition it, and it's gonna last. And you could put it up, and you can do different styles with it. You could even blow dry it if you wanted to, but because it's curly hair, it's gonna be a lot, just like it would be for your normal hair. But you can always do like a flexi rod set or even a perm rod set on this. When I'm getting to the front, I do want you to just take note that I am taking little pieces. If you have to remove pieces, then you do. And I am going to show you how you remove the pieces towards the end of this tutorial, because I know that has been of question. So whatever you feel like works for you, whether you just do like a regular leave out because you want it to just blend in with your regular hair and look even more natural, or you can do this crochet method. And when you do this crochet method, you definitely can wear it for up to about a week. But once again, please do not clip those clips too tight, because I do not want you all to pull on your hair or to cause any extra tension that's not needed. So please be careful with that. It didn't take long to install this hair. I want to say it took roughly no more than about maybe 25, no more than 30 minutes tops. I don't even think it took that long. I just know because I had to record. I braided the hair down. As you can see, I have thick hair. From there, we placed the wig on, which obviously took no time. And then with the crocheting, that's where you do want to take a little bit more time, because you don't want to pull on your hair. And you just want to make sure you're making it look really realistic, and you want to make sure that you're getting like all the webs. You don't want any of your tracks to actually be showing. I love when the hair start filling in and it just start to look extremely natural. The baby hair is very optional. I know a lot of people hate baby hair, but if you've been following me for a while, you'll know I absolutely love baby hair. And I know even when I turn 50, as long as I still have edges, I'm probably going to still like my baby hair. So once you are complete, now we have to actually style the hair. There's so many ways you can style it. You could do a perm rod set, you could do a flexi rod set, or you could just wear it as is. So right now I'm just taking some mousse and I'm running that through, and I missed my hair as well. So I didn't have a water bottle, so off camera I had to just take my hand and place some water in my hands and swipe that through. But you could also use a water bottle like a mister, and then you'll take that brush, like any brush that you can that you normally use for your actual curls, and you can just brush it through, or you can do those hand curls. So we all know that we utilize our hands when we are creating our curls as well. Now, from there, I am also cutting some of the hair. Please do not overcut. Matter of fact, you may not even want to cut, because after I cut, I was like, I don't think I wanted to cut it. Just like I like to frame the face, but if you're not great at cutting, just cut the little flyaways. Do not try to create an actual shape for the hair. It's actually really pretty as is. The cool part about this wig is they made it super adjustable, because they have a drawstring at the bottom, which can make it more suitable and secure for every girl, so it fits all head sizes. And they also upgraded the breathable mesh cap, which allows the scalp to breathe straight through and be a protective hairstyle, to where you do not have to stress about not being able to let your scalp breathe. Now I'm placing the wig on directly by the hairline, because that's going to give me the most natural effect. And now I'm just showing you all the leave out that I have, which is like the middle part. Probably a little less hair would suffice, but the middle part, the edges, and a little bit in the back, just because that round piece. And so right now I'm just adding my product. You can add any product, but mousse is really a great option. And I'm spraying that with a little water, And once you just get all your product in, you'll use a brush. You just definitely want to use like a brush that's going to get your curls super, super popping. And then from there, we're just going to lay everything down from our edges to kind of even that middle part so it could kind of have like a sleek look. Now, this is optional because once again, I know everybody does not like sleek edges, so this is optional, but I prefer because I feel like it helps the leave out look a little bit more blended. So what you can do is leave it down completely at like how as is. And you can just wear like a curly afro, which is super cute with your leave out, or you can do a second style and you could kind of pin it back. And now we are all complete, and now I just want to show you how to take the hair out. So first I'm going to remove the back. Do not take anything out from the front until you remove the back first, because this is going to give you leverage on the hair and it's not going to be pulling, it's not going to be too tight. From there, you'll find the hair that you actually crocheted in, and you'll literally just pull it right out. Like maybe it won't be simple just because maybe you crocheted over another piece of hair, so but it's not going to take long. Please take your time. Do not just pull that hair. Please don't do that. But you'll just do the opposite effect. So you crochet it in and you'll pull it right on out. So it's so simple. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, y'all. Bye.